This is our new couch, fully assembled. I really like it because it fits really good in our space. Our living room is kind of long and narrow, so we don't have a whole lot of options, but having this setup makes it so it feels like we have more options. It was really easy to put together overall. I mean, a few brackets and some screws for the armrest. It feels pretty comfortable to sit on. And one of the things I really like is that we tend to get bored sometimes and like to switch our furniture around and move it around. And that's what's really cool about this is that because it was so easy to put together, we can easily just take off a couple of brackets and reconfigure everything and kind of switch it around in our living room. And then the other thing I really like about it is, again, having a smaller living room, we don't have a whole lot of storage space. So every single cushion has this storage under it. So you can take off the cushion and you have this space underneath it. So that's really cool. So this is just leftover hardware packed and instructions. But like I said, every spot has that. So we always have a little extra room for like blankets or, those type things, whatever it is. So that makes it really nice and convenient. So I definitely think it's a good buy. I love the couch. I'm happy with it so far.